In this video we compute 2 to the power 70 plus 3 to the power 35. Modulo 31. We'll use properties of modular arithmetic to simplify both terms and keep every step visible. First, simplify 2 to the power 70 modulo 31. Notice that 2 to the power 5 equals 32, which is congruent to 1 modulo 31. Indeed, 2 to the 5th is 32, and 32 minus 31 equals 1. So 2 to the 5th is congruent to 1 modulo 31. Therefore 2 to the 70 equals 2 to the 5 to the 14th power, which is congruent to 1 to the 14th. And that equals 1 modulo 31. Next, simplify 3 to the power 35 modulo 31. Here we use Fermat's little theorem because 31 is prime. Fermat's little theorem says that for any number not divisible by 31, raising it to the 30th power gives 1 modulo 31. So 3 to the 30th is congruent to 1. Therefore 3 to the 35 equals 3 to the 30th times 3 to the 5th, which is congruent to 1 times 3 to the 5th. So it is congruent to 3 to the 5th modulo 31. Compute 3 to the 5th step by step. 3 squared is 9. 3 cubed is 27. 3 to the 4th is 81. And 3 to the 5th is 243. Now reduce 243 modulo 31. 7 times 31 equals 217. And subtracting gives 26. So 3 to the 5th is congruent to 26 modulo 31. Hence 3 to the 35 is congruent to 26 modulo 31. Combine the two results. 2 to the 70 is 1. 3 to the 35 is 26. So their sum is 27 modulo 31. This is the final answer. Therefore the value of 2 to the 70 plus 3 to the 35 modulo 31 equals 27.